Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for email marketing full guide. Begin by setting clear campaign goals and choosing audience segments that match your product or message. Customize brand colors and templates to stay consistent. Verify sending domains and set up DKIM and SBF records for better deliverability. Draft a welcome email series and test deliverability before sending to your full list to protect sender reputation and improve engagement. Design with your reader in mind and keep layout simple and scannable for quick reading on phones. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to place images and buttons where eyes naturally land. Personalize subject lines and preheaders to increase opens, and a /b test variations to learn what resonates. Preview and send test emails, then monitor opens, clicks, and bounces to refine future campaigns for steady improvement. Automations save time and scale personalization without constant manual effort, so start with a welcome series and a re-engagement workflow. Use segmentation rules to group active buyers, recent browsers, or high-value customers for tailored offers. Trigger emails based on actions like purchases or website visits to increase conversions. Regularly review analytics and refine automation timing, content, and segmentation to keep messages relevant and profitable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.